Hello everybody,
Hello.
and welcome to a different type of video. You've probably seen our video of us having a brilliant time here in Harry Potter Studio Tour in London.
Yeah.
We wanted to do a separate video focusing on the food you can get here, because the last time we were here there wasn't as much offerings as you can get now to then.
This is on another level, man.
Yeah.
Like, I'm looking at everything and I'm just like,
yes, I love it.
oh, I'm here for you.
I thought we'd show you some of the things you can get here at the Warner Brothers Studio Tour in London, so if you guys are interested in going, you know what to expect. So we're going to be showing you some of the foods that we've got, savoury food and sweets. So we've got a mixture. So you're going to see exactly what we try, so let us know what you think by giving this video a big thumbs up. So yeah, we'll show you exactly what you can see. So you've got, right further around the back is where we ordered our main food, which is our savoury food, which we've got coming in a minute. And then we've got the chocolate frog box just here, which has got all your sweet treats. So we're going to be trying some of each stuff. So we're super excited. We're just waiting for our food. We've already ordered it. We've got our little placemat. Steph got me excited. There's a person just there. And Steph's like, I'm so hungry. I wasn't sure, but cheers mate, thank you very much.
Oh my god, I wish I went for the pie now.
Why was down the pie?
It just says Pixie,
Steak and ale.
steak and it. Ah.
So actually we need to swap this.
Yes.
You went for burger.
I did go for the burger,
You went
but
for the chicken
I'm kind of
Caesar
wishing
burger.
that I went for the pie and mash.
Look at that.
Looks mad.
Well, you can have my cabbage. I know you like my cabbage. Cutlery is all wrapped, sealed,
All clean,
individual,
sealed.
with a napkin. Metal forks as well, and everything's really good. Yeah, I've gone for the steak, mushroom, ale pie.
That looks amazing.
And Steffi, that's right. It looks really good, like, it looks amazing.
Yeah.
And Steffi's gone for the chicken
Caesar.
burger. We love a Caesar salad, me and Steph.
Oh, I love a Caesar. Good old Caesar
The
dressing.
fact that it's in the burger is even better.
C'est magnifique.
Exactly. But yeah, mine comes with red cabbage, mash, gravy and carrots. Steffi comes obviously in the bun with salad and chips.
And I think that's a brioche bun as well.
Yeah, it looks like a brioche
very
bun.
buttery and
Yeah,
glorious.
and soft and beautiful. Okay, so as we're allowed to eat food, masks can come off. Hello everyone, you can see our mouths now. So, pie, mash, cabbage. How are the chips for the burger? Good chippy chips? Good chippy chips. Okay.
They're good pub chips.
Okay, good pub chips.
That's the best way to describe it.
Pub grub?
Pub chips.
Pub chips. Pub chips. So let's try this out. I actually think this is a local baker they use for this. Like a local pie maker. I think so.
Got the little stamp on the on the pie.
But they give them plenty of gravy, which I'm over the moon with, so I'm happy with that. Hello.
Oh my god, is that a little David dance? Dave did a little dance.
Ooh,
A little dance, that means he likes it.
I like it a lot. It's really good. Really beefy. Which is good, it's got steak in it, but yeah, it's really good. Also to add, this is amazing. That's the greatest pie I've ever had in my life. I know some people may disagree with me, but it's really
That
good
is
pie.
a bold statement there.
I haven't had really good pie for a long time, so. And the fact they got like a river of gravy in my plate is amazing. I'm even more happier. But Steffi is trying out a chicken Caesar burger.
Yes. Oop! Everything's going everywhere.
It's fine, it's
Just
a burger.
calm. Just calm your ass, this burger.
It's all good, it's all good.
So it's got like a Caesar dressing salad at the
Yes.
bottom.
With some onions and tomatoes. Nice soft buttery bread, hopefully. You ready?
Limbering up.
Limbering up. Very good. Thumbs up.
Yeah, that is really good. Very, it's not dry.
Good. We're happy so far.
We're on for a winner here. We've not even entered the building yet.
And we haven't even had desserts yet, which is the pièce de résistance.
Oh my gosh, I don't even think I'm going to have enough room for dessert.
Yes, we will.
We'll have to do a lap around the
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
around the tour.
Definitely, yeah, to walk it off. Right, continuation of food.
Oh, it's good in there.
Part 2. So we got some butterbeer ice cream and butterbeer beer. This was $3.95.
Yeah.
That's cheap. And this was like $4.95? Okay. Do you want to go first with ice cream or do you want drink? You want that? Is it?
See, it looks different to how it's displayed on the posters.
Yeah, because at first, because it's on the posters like the spirals of.
Yeah, like in when you're in Universal, you see the spiral of it.
This hasn't got it. They're not used.
This tastes like this froth. It's the froth.
So
it doesn't
good.
really have the soda-y sort of taste.
No.
It's more of a butterscotch, isn't it?
It's really good.
It's alright, actually.
Yeah, but the pièce de résistance. Should I try this one?
Go on then.
Oh yeah, you're alright. It's good.
Is that?
I always thought that that's enough to share. I always think it's too much in America. It tastes good.
It tastes so different, isn't
It
it?
does taste so different.
But mind you, it wasn't that long ago when we had it, did it? Mind you, it was frozen, wasn't it?
We had the frozen one, yeah.
They don't do frozen or the warm butter beers yet.
No.
Which I really want to try warm butter. Everyone keeps saying that they're really good.
Then you go, just put this in there.
Dunk. Can't go to Harry Potter Studios without trying a butterbeer.
Butterbeer.
Mm,
I actually prefer the UK's version.
yeah.
I don't know what it is. I always love it. It's always good. Want some ice cream?
Hello.
Hello.
You can take that off now.
I can now because we're about to eat some food because I am quite peckish
We have got an array
of things.
of things.
So,
No messing about
yeah.
in this place. I'm loving it.
Yeah, so we've done the tour, which I said before, which if you want to check out the video, links are in the description. So yeah, go check that video out. But we're going to try some of the snacks. We didn't go for all of them, obviously, because we couldn't eat them all. They gave us sealed knives and forks each. So the first thing we got is just a simple hot chocolate, really. So yeah, we've got hot chocolate. It comes with a chocolate frog and then some shiny sprinkles on the top. So yeah,
Really?
very nice. Chocolate chip marshmallow. That nearly flew into your face. Chocolate chip marshmallow cookie sandwich. The bullion brownie. Sure you can see that. I don't want it to fall, so I'm going to try and hold it on. There you go. Bullion brownie with a chocolate coin on the top. And the next thing we've got, which I'm actually really excited to try this, but we got the chocolate frog box. So I thought this was like all like a chocolate filling or something, but it's actually like a frosting on the top of
Yeah.
it. So it could be something similar to like the Disney World blueberry cheesecake sort of thing.
Maybe.
Yeah, we don't know.
Maybe it's just chocolate cake.
Maybe it is.
Who knows?
Who knows?
But
we're going to
no
try this
messing
stuff.
about. There are loads of other things. Like they've got freak shakes. They've got ice cream as well. The ice cream flavors are like, I think what we mentioned before,
Mint,
which was
chocolate, vanilla, the
white chocolate.
white chocolate.
I think there's only
so-
4 flavors.
Yeah.
The butterbeer ice creams you have to go into the tour
Yeah.
for.
So they're not
Because
outside.
they're containing the magic. That's what they said.
Well, let's say that's where the real magic is. So yeah.
So yeah, there we go. So there's lots of little things. I don't think I could eat any more ice cream. Sort of thing. Well, ooh, you after a freak shake?
No, not a freak shake. Probably a scoop of ice cream. But yeah.
So let's try these, shall
do
we?
good.
Like I don't know how do you drink a hot chocolate with cream on it without getting it everywhere?
You just get it all over you.
Do you just eat the cream? I mean, this is chantilly cream.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is that really good cream?
That is chantilly cream.
If you don't know what chantilly cream is, it's basically cream with vanilla essence or vanilla sort of pods, and then it's like ice and sugar or caster sugar just to kind of give it a sweetness. So it's really good and thick as well. You just got to eat you've got to eat all the cream though.
Oh, where is it? Oh, it's there.
Where is the hot chocolate?
It's there.
It's there. Are you still struggling to drink it? Should I go for the brownie while you're going for the hot chocolate?
Wait.
Oh no. No. Oh no. Oh, she got it. Basic hot chocolate or?
Yeah, I would say that. It's not quite, Disneyland Paris hot chocolate, which if anyone knows
the best.
Disneyland, that stuff. No one messes about with that. That's good. But yeah.
Still good?
It's still good, yeah. It's still really warm.
So, I'm going to try this brownie.
Oh, is this no,
That's just a regular brownie, I think. Yeah.
Now, what type of brownie are we talking about? Are we
gooey?
a chewy, gooey one?
I don't know. It feels quite.
It looks
firm.
gooey.
It feels quite firm. It has been in the fridge,
Yeah. Oh.
so that's like, oh, that's not good. So it feels like
Gold.
someone stole my gold. It feels like it's got something crunchy in it.
Where's my gold?
Where's my gold? Maybe because it's been in the fridge, I don't know, but it feels like it's like crisp, not crisp, like biscuits or something in it. It's the best way for me to explain it. You should try it, Steph.
Okay. I see what you mean. That's a good brownie. Let's try the cookie.
This is perfect for you, Steph.
Is it everything I ever wanted?
It's quite a firm marshmallow though. It's not like a gooey one. It's really good though.
Okay.
The cookie's nice. These I would recommend to share. I couldn't eat this on my own.
What, all of that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. The last one. We are going to be taking these home and trying eating the rest of them out. Just in case you're thinking, why are they eating it all? It's like, it's a lot of sugar. You ready?
Ready? 3. And now you're taking all your photos, yeah?
2, 1. To apologise. It's kind of like, it looks like a chocolate cake, and then they've kind of coated it in like a buttercream. So again, this is the chocolate frog box.
Yeah, it's good. It's not as rich as the brownie.
But yeah, really good.
All chocolatey goodness.
All coming back with us. Yeah. Right, so we've eaten the food. Do you have any favourites? I quite like the Bullion brownie.
Yeah, the brownie.
The brownie was my favourite. The chocolate chip cookie one was pretty decent, but it's like the marshmallow filling was quite tough.
I actually didn't mind that actually, because you said you was right on the street, and it kind of is.
Yeah.
But I feel like eating that, you need a cup of tea.
Yeah, it's like a good dunkable thing. I did like this.
Yeah, I think to be honest, they are quite worthy treats.
Yeah.
Like,
definitely if you're a Harry Potter fan.
No problems about them. I don't think there is anything that is too bland. I think it's really nice. The only thing that I would say is the hot chocolate, they fill it up to about here, and the rest is chantilly cream. So if you love cream,
go for it.
Go for it. That's what we noticed when we was trying to take all the cream off, and we went,
where's the chocolate?
Where is it? But
yeah,
I think it's a cute little thing.
But I think our highlight of this trip was the food. Well, not just the whole trip, but of the food things we've had.
I was surprised by the canteen food.
Yeah, the canteen food, like the pie and mash and your burger and chips
Yeah.
are really good. Again, it's expensive, but you are going to like an attraction, so the prices are going to be higher. But I think it's really good, worth it. And they do vegan food and vegetarian food options, so they have catered for every person. I think. But we hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's only a little short one, but if you haven't checked out our Harry Potter tour video during what's happening at the moment, please click the link in the description or top right corner of the video. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. One thing we do want to mention as well, hopefully try and get this video before the 4th of October, because at the moment we are collaborating with the folks at Magical Apparel.
Yeah.
So we have a KrispySmore pumpkin spice potion pocket t-shirt, so we'll leave the link for that pre-order. At the moment we're just pre-ordering till the 4th of October, so if you guys want to snag yourself one of those, please do. It helps support the channel when the folks at Magical Apparel have done a fantastic job.
And they are pretty amazing.
Yeah, Yaz and Ash are awesome.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for watching today's video, and we shall see you on the next one. Bye guys.